In this guitar lesson, we're going to play through the 1, 4, and 5 chords using triads in the key of E major. So how this is going to work is I'm going to get in close. I'm going to play through 1, 4, and 5. In the key of E major is E, A, B. E being the 1 chord, A being the 4 chord, B being the 5 chord. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play through them, and I will have the charts down below. I'm not going to do any talking to make this lesson quicker. So all you have to do is grab your guitar and just play through them with me, and you will learn all your E major 1, 4, and 5 triads going up the neck using strings 2, 3, and 4. If you're enjoying this guitar lesson and you'd like to see how to use these triads for rhythm, kind of chord embellishments and fills, and also creating leads, then just let me know down in the comments and I will make a video. If you enjoyed this triads lesson, please give it a like. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. And if you'd like to see more lessons about triads, check out this playlist.